In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Microsoft OneNote notebook. If you've accidentally deleted a notebook or lost a section, don't worry. There are a few reliable places to check, depending on where your notebook was stored and what exactly was removed. First, if your notebook was saved to the cloud in OneDrive, you can often bring it back from the OneDrive recycle bin. Open a web browser and go to onedrive.com. Then sign in with the same Microsoft account you used with OneNote. On the left side, open the recycle bin. Look for your deleted notebook. Remember, OneNote notebooks in OneDrive typically appear as a folder that contains .1 files. Select the notebook or folder and choose Restore. This returns it to its original location in OneDrive. After that, open OneNote on your device and trigger a sync so the notebook reappears in the app. Keep in mind that OneDrive only retains deleted items for a limited time, often around 30 days, so the sooner you check, the better your chances. If the notebook still exists, but you removed specific pages or sections, you can pull them back from OneNote's own recycle area. Open the OneNote app on Windows or Mac, go to the History tab, and select the Notebook Recycle Bin or Deleted Notes option. You'll see a list of recently deleted pages and sections, generally available for about 60 days before they're purged. Right-click the item you want to recover and choose Move or Copy, then place it back into the section or notebook you prefer. Moving returns it to your structure, while copying lets you keep a duplicate if you want to compare or reorganize later. Finally, if your notebook was stored locally on your computer and you use the OneNote desktop app with backups enabled, you can restore from a backup. In OneNote, go to File, then Info, and select Open Backups. Browse to the backup folder for the notebook you lost, open the backed up sections or pages, and copy them into your active notebook. Backups are snapshots, so you might need to merge content with any newer notes. Once you're done, sync again if the notebook is connected to the cloud. To wrap up, check OneDrive's recycle bin for fully deleted cloud notebooks. Use OneNote's notebook. Recycle bin for pages or sections, and rely on local backups if you were working offline. Act quickly to stay within the retention windows, and consider enabling regular backups to protect your work going forward.